Hey guys, VW Chris here, and behind me is my 1981 Volkswagen Caddy. Now I know I haven't properly introduced this car yet, and that's because I want to do a proper video on this one. But basically I picked this one up a few weeks ago, and I noticed that the rear license plate lights don't work. And after a bit of research, it seems like a bit of a common issue, and there's no real solution or anything posted up publicly. I found this in a Mark 1 Caddy Facebook page. But yeah, tonight I'm going to attempt to replace the license plate lights with LEDs. These are a specific truck. They're not just like a regular Mark 1. So I'm going to have a go and try and replace these with an Amazon solution, which yeah, should be better than factory. So we're going to get stuck into it now. First of all, I want to apologize for the mess as I have just moved houses, but I wanted to show you the factory license plate lights. Now, there was a few people saying that the AMC Gremlin uses the same lights. Other people say they've broken them open, like I did sort of on accident, and just replacing the bulb internally, but it is a sealed unit technically, and if I get that focus there, it is a sealed unit, and yeah, they're soldered in, so you're really not meant to replace them. You're meant to just replace the whole unit, but I have a new Amazon solution. So here's a bag of 10 LED lights. I think this was like 12 bucks on Amazon, and I got it the next day with Prime, which was awesome. But yeah, this basically is just meant to wire into the current wiring, and then the hole size is almost identical to the factory. And I've just seen people literally slot these in, screw the original screw down, and it holds it in place. So I'm gonna give it a go and just document this along the way and give it a go. Now all I've done is gotten a pair of pliers and have just pulled out the wires here. And the other side you can see is just kind of loose. I apologize, it's a little difficult with one hand, but basically on this kit, I've found that the black goes with the green and the white goes with the brown. We get these attached here. I just try and set this down. As you can see, that works. Okay, so now we've identified that is the correct power source and it works. I don't have a whole bunch of tools to do this properly, quote unquote. I think I might have some heat shrinks and stuff like that. So I might do a bit of a dodgy twist and tape and just sort of just get some lights going. But realistically, it'd be best to just maybe cut the wires or make some sort of connection and do it nice and clean. If it works, I may just leave it. But if to do it properly, I may even go back and just, it's not a hard job. I just need to get the right parts. Okay, so we have to strip these ones down. A pair of wire strippers would be good, or your teeth. I guess that'll be fine too, so I'm gonna give it a go. Yeah, it worked. Nah. So what I did is actually found the hole inside this little connector here, placed the wire into the hole, and then I've just squashed this little piece here just with a pair of pliers. And when I've squashed it, it's held the wire in place. I've slid over, or I'd already pre-slid over a bit of heat shrink, and this one's probably a little bit small, so for the others I might use a slightly larger one, and then that'll just protect everything. I think that'll do us, so we're going to give this one a try. Okay, so I've just done it again with the other wire, a little bit larger of the heat shrink, and let's test if it all works out now. Ooh. Yes, look at that. That's bright too. So now I'm just gonna pop the wire back in here, pop the screw in, and we should be all good to go. So that one just wrapped and raveled in there. I'm just screwing this little screw down now onto this rubber edge. Even though it probably doesn't need it too much. Could probably do with a little bit more securing. But bang. That's pretty much in there, and that's nice and bright. So I think it's time to do the other side. Great option for someone with a little bit of a DIY experience. I'm gonna continue to do the other side now, probably do it the same way. It works really well. Yeah, let's go cracking. So there you have it, ladies and gents. We've got some working LED lights in our truck. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I will link the Amazon link in the description. But yeah, other than that, didn't take me too long. Honestly, I tried this for the first time and it took me max with filming 15 minutes. I'm VW Chris. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.